What's up, boys and girls? I'm here with another video. Can I even hear it? Yep, I can hear stuff. Finally. But we are back with this world. So yay! Yeah, let's go. We're back with the Volcano Island. Yeah. How did I miss that stuff? Oh my god, I'm so stupid. Because I tried to make it like a jungle around the volcano, you know, just for nice touch, I guess. Alright, that's better. And then they have like a mushroom island, sort of like around, like on these like little small islands, yeah. Maybe a little bit, like. Maybe like a little bit of it, like here, and like here. Yeah, that looks good. So it's, you know, not that much, but you know what? Hey, it's fine. Oh, it's that thunderstorm one. This volcano needs some help. How about I make it dormant? Where's dormant part? Okay. Here we go. So the volcano is dormant. Because it can be. And, make a little bit of swamp right here, you know. Maybe let's add some, like, soil around. Showing, like, it is, like, volcanic, so it does have some, like, volcano-ish plants, I guess. So that would make sense, in my opinion. But, like, I did not even do that purposely, but you know what? Hey, that's cool. And let's just speed up the process. Yes, creatures can spawn. Yes, you need food to live, old age. I want it to be like normal, but like an actual like volcano island. Maybe have some like mini islands around to like spice it up, kind of like Hawaii a little bit. Yeah, that's pretty cool. It looks nice. And it's just around the volcano, it's just lava-ish. Kind of like make that a little bit, so it kind of looks like it's like it kind of like cracked it a little bit like that. It's nice. looks pretty good. Alright, yeah, that looks pretty cool in my opinion. Like, not now, but like until. And maybe it just doesn't look good because I just need to boom, 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 boom. Look better. I just need to like sort of like just. Okay, yeah, that. What's the one over here? Maybe the game is just not rendering it in. That makes sense because my game is really glitchy now. But like, okay, that looks better. That's actually pretty nice. If we just add a little bit more mountain-like and like a little bit more. That. Okay, yeah, that looks better. Let's kind of add like a little bit of like a hillish thing. That's cool, and maybe put like a little geyser. Yeah, that's. Okay, yeah, look, that's pretty cool. Yeah, that's cute. I don't like to say cute because I'm not a girl, but okay. My eye! My eye! My eye! I really want to put an acid geyser, but I'm not because it's gonna kill this squirrel. I almost called it a fox because it sort of looked like a fox. Okay, yeah. Like, look at a squirrel in Roblox. Look at a fox in Roblox. Okay, maybe that is a fox. Maybe I'm stupid. Okay, yeah, those two islands actually will look really nice. Let's just, and like some corrupt seeds to make it look like, you know, like it's sort of like deadish because it is sort of deadish. Like, I can't be more wrong. It's erupting again, Whippy. don't know why, but I'm sort of like thinking like to like put a little bit of that around, but I'm not. That kind of looks pretty weird, so I'm gonna change it a little bit to like. Okay, yeah, that's better. It's just that one little speck that was like making me feel weird. Okay, yeah, that's much better. And if you want more like alien world thing, you know, go subscribe, I guess, then like just watch the next video, I guess. Oh, it's this age. That's why I'm gonna make everything dormant. Yep, it's dormant. It's starting to get warm. I do not know what just happened, so I'm just gonna eat. Okay, let's just... Yeah, make that undormant. Actually, because I'm gonna spawn people, I'm gonna make it be dormant. And I'm gonna have them like spawn like right next to the volcano. I should probably turn on friendly creatures, right? Yeah. I'll change it to this age so it's like good and nice and warm. Right here. First human on this planet. Okay, now let's change it. Island. Empire. Let's change the colors to match like a good, yeah, like a good, yeah, that looks pretty cool. Yeah, that looks nice for a volcano island. Yeah, okay, that's nice. Should we have rebellion? Yes, let's also do that too. Actually, I'm gonna turn these. I'm gonna keep this on. I'm gonna keep that off until like they reach a lot. How do they already have what? Huh? Okay, I'm confused. Now let me tell you why I'm confused. Because there's one person, and it's a man. How did just one man, no women, just one person, like a freaking empire already, like 32 people. Why are people dying? Makes sense why people are dying. Probably from smoke. I could have known. Oh yeah, because old age. People are dying from old age. I'm stupid. You can call me stupid. You have the right. I'm giving you the right to call me stupid. But until that volcano erupts again, what will your day? Boom. But they probably don't know the volcano is going to erupt once they hit like these are actually like houses. Okay, they are populating a little bit too fast. Actually, perfect timing. What? Well, not really perfect timing, but you weren't hitting. Doopa doopa. Doopa doopa. The volcano is erupting. Everything is. Huh? What? Guess let's turn that on and let's turn this one on. Maybe I should. Yeah, okay. Even though you guys don't know why, I was just like, kind of like making a weird like noise about it, but you'll see why now. Yeah, do you now get it? So. I've been so gracious, and yet you heard the sound of mine. Yes, what does what you may blind is mine. Our choice and that found. Mercy upon us, mercy upon ourselves. Okay. Let's see it. But do I make all that stuff? No. My game is lagging. I'm not liking that. The lag. So everything is supposed to stay like, you know, dormant until... I'm recording a video. My game is about to lag like hell. The lag. Boom, boom. Any others that I'm missing? Did I actually forget I made that part? I don't know that. Okay, let's get rid of that rule. Bro, they like conquered everything. I'm actually gonna turn on a freaking rebellion soon. I'm gonna make a small rebellion, but it's the smallest city. Smallest city with the least people. Right here. Oh, they're fighting. They're fighting. Oh. Could they win two at the same time? Oh. They won that one. Okay, so they won. Like right there, like that part. Oh, they're battling. They're battling. What? Right here. Oh, they're battling. They're battling. How? What? Battling. Holy. That's the biggest city. Except for like that, but like still. What? Okay, I'm turning on rebellion. Like, holy crap. I'm not doing anything anymore. I'm gonna end this video, like, right now. Turn rebellions off. Come on. Kill this guy so I can play with my friend. Come on. Just don't worry about that one guy. So yeah. Hopefully it auto-saved. But, yeah. So, yeah. Peace. Have a nice one when you're watching this. And goodbye.